Welcome to Yeri Youngster Football Club. You know, yesterday we follow the team called Nice FC of Dubai, and today our channel, as you know, we are with Yeri Youngster Academy, and we discover a lot of good things in the team. You know, this team actually was created in 2018, right here in Dubai, and the founder, of course, is Mr. Charlie Njikom, who is also a football coach who have good ambition concerning young players that come from different parts of the world. Actually, we have a lot to say about this, but before we go into details, let us listen to the founder of this team.
Everyone, I am Charlie Jikong, the creator and founder of Yeri Youngsters. And as you can see behind me, we have resumed training, and it's now open for all those footballers who think they've got the talent and have got what it takes to make professional football. Here is a building block and the starting step for everyone who wants to try. So you are all welcome, and then the details for contacts is going to be written below. So thank you very much.
Yes, thank you so very much, Mr. Charlie Jikon, coach. Actually, as you said, this team, you know, a lot of things to say. Like I said before, many of these boys, I think, is just hope that has been given to them, because many came here in this country being cheated with some fake managers, you know, promising them everything that whenever they came after, when they came here, they couldn't see even half of what was promised to them. And so the idea here behind was that this guy took these players and gather these players. You know, actually there are more than 15 nationalities, more than 15, close to 20. You know, people come from Ghana, Cameroon, Ivory Coast, Ethiopia. There are players also from Morocco, even Russia, that are here, Algeria. I cannot count, you know. But one thing that we observe, you know, while we've been following these people, we observe something is that there is love. There is love here in this team. There is love that is like they are guided by love. There is not discrimination. There is not we are something like we are just from this country, so we don't want to talk with other guys. No, football is really something that gather people together, you know, and that's why we can only say thank you for this very brilliant initiative, which giving hope to young footballers, especially those who come from Africa and those who were cheated by a fake manager. Here, actually, you can receive wonderful and great training, professional training, because they also have a very nice coach, a coach that play also football in both in Africa and in Dubai. We believe that soon we'll give you opportunity to listen to him. You know, it's very welcoming. When we were there, it was just like we are at home. Many of these guys, you know, if you see what they're doing, the way they laugh together, the way they enjoy themselves, I think this place is a place to be. So if you are a good footballer out there, this is a place for you to be. You have ambition, you're in the UAE, maybe you think your career or football career maybe is down. No, you can come to Yeri Youngster and start afresh. You know, Yeri Youngster is ready to offer you a professional training that will propel you, to catapult you to the next level of your career. You know, one thing about Yeri Youngster is that they believe in God. Before every training, they gather, they pray, because they believe that their strength, their favor, their promotion can only come from God. But before we also continue, we spoke with their coach. Let's listen to what their coach have to say about this team, because we have him in an interview, and he says some quite good things concerning Yeri Youngster and how you can actually join the team, and how also they are ready to welcome everybody.
Hello
in
guys.
this team. Listen to him.
Okay, thank you very much. I want to welcome you to Yeri Youngster. As you can see, we are having our training session. Everybody here, everybody's okay anyway, but my name is Coach Maka Fortizo, actually the head coach of Yeri Youngster. We have great ambition for this team, and we are hoping to take this guy very far. And if you watch very well, you find that we have a lot of guys here from different nationality. We accommodate everybody. It's open. All we need is good players. If you can do something better, I believe that you are fit for this team. Okay, so we invite you. If you can play good football, come. We have people here that can help you move forward for your football career. So we give you the best and the professional training level that you require for you to be in the top level. So I welcome you, and I believe that being in this club with us, if you come here, the time you have to be with us here, you will never regret it. You will surely enjoy, because here we are defined by love. So we don't have discrimination. We love everybody, and we have great ambition. Already from last season, many of these guys were taken and played second division. Some of these guys have been engaged in some professional side where they sign great contract. So this is a place to be. It's a place to be. We set this for many young footballers who came to this country and sometimes are lost because of condition of life. So we set this to try to help them and let them know that it's still possible for them to realize their dreams. This is exactly why this is being given birth to.
Yes, thanks to Koto for giving us more details concerning Yeri Youngstar Academy. Now, we were also opportune to follow these guys. Actually they play many friendly games with Premier League clubs, second division clubs here in Dubai, and we were opportune to follow them. Actually, in one of their match, especially this match, they play against the Gulf Euros. Remember, Gulf Euros is the team that is champion in the second division league. This team actually got promotion to the first division league here in Dubai, but Yeri Youngstar have a wonderful friendly game with them. This is just some highlight about the match, but the match itself is in our channel in the YouTube. The full match, we will send you the link. But the match was very awesome, and the match finally the score was 3-3, to show you that actually these guys, they have determination. They prove that they really can do it, and we really appreciate what happened that day, because it was really fair play, and both the two teams and the management of the two teams, everything went well. We have to say a big thanks to Charlie Jikong, who have this in mind. I remember one day they were going to match. I saw him paying for the bus. I saw him paying for the stadium. This is not things we talk in 100 dirhams, 50 dirhams. No, these are things of about 1,500 dirhams for one outing, for just one match. This is huge, and for you to be able to do such thing, you must have the love for football, and this is really what we are looking at, and that's why we really congratulate him for this amazing job. Now this, we can see player were just warming up, and now the match is about to start, and we were able to just give you a highlight of one beautiful goal that was scored by the Yeri Youngstar. The player, of course, that scored the goal is called John, and this was very, very amazing. This is one of the beautiful goals that Yeri Youngstar scored this season, and we expect that from now till next season, Yeri Youngstar will be able to register in the second division league. What actually is needed here is sponsor. If you are a sponsor, you're a lover of football, even though you are not playing yourself, you can push this guy forward. They already are somewhere. They already have some effort put in place by Charlie Jikon, the coach Maka, also Mr. Tariq. So, but you can join this club, you can join this team to make this dream come to pass. This boy, their success matters. Look, you can see right away, this is the goal. Yeah, this is the goal that the guy just scored. Amazing goal, and really it received a gift from the coach, from the founder also that day, and everybody was happy about him. And this guy is actually one of the best midfielder that they have. We know that this season coming, he will be able to play in the higher league. So this is Yeri Youngstar Football Club. You can find their information on Instagram also, but don't forget the contact that was given below when the founder was talking, and also the coach. But we want to show you another interview we have with Mr. Tariq, an Egyptian that is football manager that decided to join Yeri Star to help these boys achieve their dreams. So we invite you to listen to Mr. Tariq, who actually has done a lot to help these young boys, this young footballer, and he was presented to us by Coach Maka.
Information, the contact will be you actually see. So I welcome everyone of you to this team. Now I'm here with me, Mr. Tarek from Egypt, one of the manager that decided to join our team, and you can see him.
Guys, you are welcome at any time, and we are waiting for you. Thank you very much.